Okay. Hi everyone. So now I will show you one of the feature of my calculator. So in which when you calculate the algebra of the endowment assurance or term assurance, so you can export that algebra to the notepad file. So let me show you. So this is my assurance contract and endowment contract. Let's say age is 45, rate of interest is 8%, and term of the contract is 12%. And I press calculate. So this algebra has been printed here. Now I want to export this algebra to the notepad file so that this algebra is saved somewhere. Okay. So what I do, I press this export button. Okay. So when I press this export button, so this endowment file has been generated on the desktop, where when I press this endowment, so this algebra has been printed in the endowment file. As you can say, assurance premium is 0.40294, and here also you can see 0.40294. Let's take one more example. Okay, so uh, this time let's say age is 60, rate of interest is 6%, and term of the contract is 15 years. And when I press, so my calculations change, and I want to export this. So when I press export, so when I open my endowment file, so this time this premium, this 0.46126 and its algebra has been printed on the a notepad file. Let's take one more example of term assurance. So this time I select the term assurance, okay, and I press calculate. So algebra has changed, description has changed, table has changed. Now I want to export this algebra. So I will press export. Okay, and now this term assurance file has been generated. Okay, and when I click on this, so this algebra has been printed on the notepad file. Okay, so this is how I am adding new and new features in the calculator. Now my next feature will be that there you will see different tabs. In different tabs we will have different algebras, like one tab will be of the select mortality, one tab will be of the simple mortality, one tab will be for the expected value, one tab will be for the assurance. So that's how you will see the new features getting added in this calculator. Thanks for watching.